Creating a budget that works. Tips and tricks by Millionaire's Club. Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly playing catch up with your finance? A budget is a great way to take control of your money and make conscious spending decisions. Frugality is founded on the principle that all riches have limits. Now, I know what you're thinking. Budget sounds about as exciting as watching the paint dry, but trust me, it's worth it. A budget gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses so you can make conscious spending decisions and stop feeling like you're constantly scrapping on the bottom of the barrel. And no, you don't have to give up all the fun things in life to have a budget. It's all about finding the right balance. So, where do you start? First, add up all your sources of income, including your salary and the passive income and any money that comes. Next, make a list of all your monthly expenses. This includes the boring stuff like rent and car payments, as well as more fun and expenses like grocery and entertainment. Don't forget to include annual expenses that you pay monthly, like insurance. Next, it's time to compare income to your expenses. If your expenses are more than your income, it's time to cut back on some spendings or find a way to increase the income, of course. One tip that helped me is to automate my savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account so you don't even have to think about it. And it's like, set it and forget it mentality. Mr. Munger famously said, "The habit of saving is itself an education. It fosters every virtue, teaches self denial, cultivates the sense of order, trains to forethought, and so broadens the mind." Conclusion. Budgeting isn't always as easy, but it's a crucial step towards financial freedom. With a little bit of organization and some discipline, you can take control of your money. Don't be afraid to seek help if you need it, whether it's from a financial planner or friend or who is good with money, or of course the Millionaires Club. You've got it, and hey, at least you won't have to worry about living in the car or eating a ramen noodles for every meal. Silver linings, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Millionaires Club for more on personal finance and